Hey everyone, I'm here with Dave. He drives this truck right here. DCP run with the Landolls, right?
Yes, did our
Right.
440 travel and axle trailers, and
Right.
So we did so many cabs of my truck.
Right, it's like 252. Anyways, he was generous enough to stop by here in Dodge City. I came out and I asked him if he would just give us a tour of the real truck because you guys have seen the model. Now we get to see the real one.
Yeah.
So what do you got here, Dave?
Oh, I got a 2024 389 Peterbilt. I've had it now for about almost 2 years, so it's got almost 170,000 miles on it. So it's starting to get a little age, but it looks good yet. But when Landolls decided to do some toy trailers, they did some trailers with. They did a day cab on it, and when they did the day cab, I said, well, let's try and do one like what we got. So they decided to have a certain amount of them done in my truck. So yeah, so like I say, it's a 24 389. It's got a 500 horse Cummins, 13 speed. Got 336 rear ends in it.
Nice.
We did a few custom touches. We did the fake straight pipes.
Okay.
Okay. But we always, to all of our trucks, we add the minimizer fenders. So at Landolls, so we are a manufacturing company.
Right.
So a couple of things I had them do was I had them make me my little light box on there. So of course, we at the factory, we do all of our hydraulics. We mount all that stuff ourselves. On this truck, we did a split tank on the right side. It's a half fuel, half hydraulic tank.
Okay.
So all of our lines are nicely done up through the frame inside. But they built me my custom box there. And then we always do the fenders on it. And then they custom built my taillight panel as well. I designed that, and so then they drew it up and built it for me.
And what, they laser cut that out of?
That's all laser cut out. That box is made out of raw stainless.
Nice.
And then it's powder coated black because of most of our ag equipment and our trailers are powder coated.
Okay.
So yep, and so it's all custom done that way.
Okay, what are the differences between the real truck that you drive and the model that DCP made?
So they did.
So obviously,
so
DCP couldn't do the minimizers.
They couldn't do the minimizers. So that's what I had. That's what I had you do for me. So we did the fenders, my taillight panel.
Right. We did this.
Yep. We added the extra step boxes back here because DCP didn't do that. We missed this little fact. DCP can do the back window, but they didn't. We missed sending them a picture or something. So you added that to my truck, and then you added my little box as well here.
And then the graphics there.
Then you did all of my lettering. Let's put my nickname, my CB handle there. So did all of our DOT numbers.
Right.
My name on the door, my wife's name on the passenger door, and my unit number as well. So, and the toy looks just like the real thing. I'm super pleased and excited. It turned out very, very well.
I'll tell you, this rig is just super sharp. Well, Dave, thanks for the tour of your rig.
Absolutely.
It was really cool to be able to do the model for you, and then too bad we couldn't have done that step deck load for you with the Landoll disc you're hauling down to Texas.
I know. I'll have to figure that out someday and get something like that done as well. Yeah, definitely.
All right, well, hey, have a safe trip. We'll catch you later.
I will. Thank you.